Hi, now I am going to show you the demo how to integrate Google Calendar API with Spring Boot application, and also we are going to do the OAuth2 authentication. So in this website is very useful to get the more information about Gmail API integration and the Google Calendar API integration. For more details you can go through this website. Okay, now I will show you the GitHub where we have the source code. Simply you can download, you can clone the project from this URL. Okay, github.com you got Google Calendar API. You can download, you can import this project into your Eclipse. Okay, this is Eclipse project. Okay, uh, go to Google Calendar application. This is Spring Boot applications. I have created a REST controller. So first we have to get the authorization code, then we have to pass this authorization code to server to get the token. Based on the token we can handle any we can get the event from our calendar. Okay, for that we need to configure the client ID, client secret and redirect URI, I mean the callback URL. So go to application.properties file. So here I have the port number 9000, then I have client ID and a client secret. These values you can get it from Google APIs. Whenever you registered your application with Google APIs, okay, you can get these values. Then you can give your callback URL, I mean the redirect URI. The same URI has to configure with your Google APIs. If you are not passing here, simply you can set this URL to Google APIs. Otherwise, you can bind this URL to the configuration properties. Okay. So here login. This is the REST API. Localhost 9000 port number along with the login Google the request URL. First, I am requesting to get the authorization code. So after receiving the authorization code, the callback URL, this is callback URL, the same URL. So along with the authorization code to get the token. So once the connection is established and login status is verified, then token we are having. Based on the token, we can connect the calendar to get the events, calendar events. So you can set the duration from which date calendar event you want. We want to retrieve. Minimum set time, minimum set time, maximum. So this is starting date, ending date to get the calendar between these dates. So this is you can print it. This is sample APIs for Google Calendar along with Spring Boot and OAuth2. Okay. If you want more information about this API integration, go to this website. You can get more information about this API. Source code you can find it. Gmail also we are having. Gmail API also we are having. Google Calendar API also we are having. So you can go to this website. You can get more information about Gmail and Google Calendar API integration with the Spring Boot. If you have any queries regarding and the API integration, kindly post your queries in this post command form. Okay, quickly I will reply. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.